How to sign up for Namecheap affiliate program. In today's video, we are going to walk you through step-by-step process of signing up for the Namecheap affiliate program. Before we dive into the sign up process, let's briefly discuss what the Namecheap affiliate program is. This program allows you to earn commission by promoting Namecheap's product and services. You will receive a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Namecheap is a reputable domain registrar and hosting provider. Their affiliate program offers great earning potential. So let's get started on how to sign up for the Namecheap affiliate program. First step is to visit the Namecheap affiliate program page. You can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, then you land on this page. Then you need to click on apply now. To become an affiliate, you need to create an account. You need to sign up from any of these. I'll click on share a sale and I'll click on enroll here. Now you need to create an account. You'll be asked to provide your name, email address and password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Then you need to enter some contact information and then a payment method. Once you are done, you'll need to agree to the Namecheap affiliate program's terms and conditions. Be sure to read through these carefully as they outline the rules and expectations for affiliates. After agreeing to the terms, you'll receive a verification email at your provided address. Go to your email box and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, log into your new Namecheap affiliate account. You need to complete your affiliate profile, which may include providing additional information about yourself and promotional method. To receive your commissions, you will need to set up your payment details. This usually involves selecting a payment method such as PayPal or bank transfers and providing the necessary information. Now it's time to start promoting Namecheap's product and services. You can generate affiliate links for specific products, services, or even their home pages. These links will track your referrals and commission. Congratulations! You are now a registered Namecheap's affiliate. You can start promoting through your affiliate links and earn commission on each successful sale made through those links. That's a wrap up on how to sign up on Namecheap's affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.